Hi guys, and I'm gonna be making like a fluffy slime, but I don't really know what Blaize is. So I think maybe the pink, because I think that would like a cool pink fluffy slime, because I don't have any. And maybe, yeah, they're the same. Fluff, and maybe fluff slime, so I know what to do. Now, my mom said add half or some, so I'm adding it in. It's liquid. I don't know what to do, and this is going to be a kind of small slime, but I think I'm going to add this much. I hate adding this slime. It's going to be pretty small. pretty small. You can't even see it. It's too pink. I love pink. Like, it's my favorite color. Oh, not this. I got the wrong one. Okay. This is number 3 order. My brother's 3. So if my brother tried to do this, then that'd be bad. So like here. Okay. Squeeze down the fluffness. Fluff. Now I'm gonna get a stick. I need a stick. Okay, now I'm gonna shove this off. Little blob. So I think now I'm gonna mix. My mom said put the glue and then add that much and then mix and see how fluffy and sticky it is. Oh, it feels like kind of like glue, but better. Sorry about this twist in making. I don't know if this is gonna be good. It might be too much fluff and a little bitty slime. So yeah, it's mostly white, not pink. So now I know what to add. It's gonna be vanilla scent. I did that on the last video. It's just because I like the vanilla scent a lot. It's the only scent I can really find. And I'm just gonna keep on mixing, twisting, and having a good time. But it's fun to do these videos. I'm adding more glue, because I don't want you to heal. I don't want you to heal. Chicka, 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 chicka. Stop looking at myself. I just have to look at you. Okay. And here, I do it to heal. Yeah, sew it off. Now I'm gonna mix. It's light pink. Ooh. Looks so beautiful. Oh, chicka-lacka. I got, when I was doing my other video, I got slime on my shorts. Big deal. Pretty bad. And it's this one. Well, it's in the drawer, but it's this one. It was the best slime ever. No, not that much. Like fluff. And if you wondering how old I am, I can't tell you this. So I have 4 years until I'm I know how to say words. I mean letters. Or words, I don't know. But I just want to show you. I'm scared to to touch it because last video I made my hand so sticky. Oh, I knew it. It would be like not even slime. This is how it looks. It looks fluffy. Could be too fluffy. So I have this much. So my mom's telling me what to do mostly, but it's mostly me doing the video and Dad in the living room. Can't tell you if it's the same day because I can't just be making signs on the same day. So it could be one day, it could be the other day. But I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna worry about making slime because I want people to like my videos. Because see, this is I have not done much videos. Well, I've done none videos. So this is my first time. So I hope you give this a big thumbs up. I'm not done with the video, but it made like this purplish pink. You can see that. I bet you can. And I might need to like pause the video and come back with another video like this. I don't know. You might not. Might not. Ah! I know what to do. So this is a big pad. Let's say this is not good. That's one I can say. Just like this. Because this is a pink flag. I'm not saying pink love. I'm saying pink for love. But I don't know if I'm talking too much. But sometimes I just talk, but I don't. Like, I'm not like thinking or saying like I just like to talk. But I think I'm gonna end this video now. So I think I want to say to you guys is give this a big thumbs up. And you already got to see the end of the slime. So bye.